In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make unique voices with AI using the new ElevenLabs Voice Design feature. If you're intrigued by the possibilities of AI and voice synthesis, you're in the right place. It's an exciting frontier for creating distinct audio profiles, whether you're a content creator, an educator, or just someone experimenting with technology. Before diving in, remember that you can support us by using our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs and exploring these amazing capabilities. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a base voice to work with. This could be any of the default voices provided by ElevenLabs, a voice created by other users, or even a voice you've uploaded and chosen to clone. It's crucial to have a starting point because this is what you'll customize and transform into something truly unique. To find your starting voice, navigate to the Voices tab on the left panel. Here, you'll see all the available voices. Before you can mix and customize them, make sure to add any voices of interest to your list. This initial step is essential for setting up the voices you want to experiment with. Now, while cloning your own voice inherently makes it unique, you have the ability to take this uniqueness a step further. To do this, you'll want to engage in remixing. Remixing is a powerful feature that lets you refine and personalize your voice, ensuring it matches your exact vision. Once you're ready to remix, head over to the My Voices tab. This section showcases all the voices you've saved or created. Hover over the voice you're keen on remixing and click on the small 3 dots icon that appears. A drop-down menu will emerge, from which you'll need to select the Remix Voice option. At this stage, you'll be taken to the Voice Remixer. Here's where the magic happens. You can enter a prompt describing exactly how you'd like to alter the voice. Whether it's adjusting tone, pace, or adding a specific character trait, the more detail you provide, the more customized your voice will become. This step is essential for tailoring your voice to fit any narrative or project requirements you might have. By following these steps, you'll craft a voice that's as authentic and original as your own ideas. It's an incredible way to leverage AI for creating audio that stands out and makes an impact. And there you have it. That's all it takes to create a unique AI voice using ElevenLabs' innovative tools. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy creating!